This is Greece, a mythical country to say the least. The perfect place for a romantic holiday, spending unforgettable moments with your significant other, enjoying the warm, clear waters of the island, witnessing some of the most stunning views in the world.
And if you watched my videos before, you know you're in for an adventure.
I lost my GoPro!
This is just not freaking real.
Do you like the temperatures?
The wind is so strong here!
I told them that I lost my drone, if I may be allowed to go and look for it.
Oh my god.
Greece isn't just a place, it's a feeling. So make sure to subscribe and join us on this epic journey.
In the last episode on our backpacking trip through Greece, we arrived in Athens, set our tents on a camping site, and now we were about to explore the main attractions of the capital. If you like to see some beautiful shots of Athens, its rich history, and the amazing architecture, keep on watching this video to the end. After flying the drone around for a bit and capturing the diversity of the city, we kept on walking through markets, busy streets with plenty souvenir shops and vendors. As the time passed, we reached different ancient archaeological sites, walking and taking in as much as I could in a relatively short amount of time. That afternoon, I searched for one of the tallest hills with the best scenic viewpoint, and this is what I found. Later, we were on our way to the camping site and we enjoyed seeing Athens for a bit at night. Although the time was short here, the impressions are lasting. For us, it was just a short stop before venturing in the final chapter of this backpacking adventure in Greece, reaching Zakynthos, our last island. So, next day, we took the bus and boarded the ferry.
So we are now on the ferry to Zakynthos, our final destination. We've been now riding the bus for the last 4.5 hours or 4 hours, and yeah, we arrived in the port of Kyllini, from Athens to Kyllini, and from here we take a short ferry ride, maybe like half an hour, and we arrive in Zakynthos. See you there.
If you enjoyed this video, guys, I would really appreciate if you hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and maybe also comment in the comment section below something that you really enjoyed about this video. So, see you in the next one. Thanks a lot.